What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Welcome back to D's Card Break. And as always, I am D. How are we all doing today, guys? I hope everybody is having yourself a great day. As the recording of this video, it is the day after Christmas, so I hope each and every one of you had a great Christmas. And hopefully you guys have a happy and safe new year. Before we get started, let me take the time to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and checking out this video. Your support at this channel is always appreciated. All right, guys, today I got my other co-host, Mrs. Card Break, with me.
Hello, everybody in YouTube land.
And we are going to be looking for the Jim Thome rookie card. 1992 Upper Deck, along with Manny Ramirez, what it was, a prospect rookie.
Yeah, prospect. Yeah.
Prospect rookie.
A couple different Thomes.
Yeah, a couple different Thomes in here. He had apparently a combo card and a regular rookie, and then the Manny Ramirez had a prospect rookie in it. So that's what we're on the hunt for, along with any other stars and Hall of Famers we might find or bypass, because I don't technically know all of them. This box is a little beat up for sure. It's, what, 27 stinking years old, so it's probably seen better days, but hopefully all the corners are still okay. It'd be nice to find a good Thome that's in gradable condition. That would be sweet. So, let's see how you want to do this. I know you're going to want to open some, so let's pull out some stacks. Get you some stacks. You can have the right side of the box. I'll take the left side of the box. There we go. All right, you want to start us off?
Sure.
All right, get this to where we can all see it. So obviously on this box it says something about find the Williams, see details, and like I said, I don't know if that means Ted Williams inserts are in here or whatnot, but we're going to do our best to see what we can find. All right. Well, it looks like the cards are flipped all kinds of different ways.
They are.
They are. A little hard to rip, too. Oh, come on. Focus. There we go. Get the focus going on. Yeah.
Just crazy in here.
Yeah. There are all kinds of flipped upside down, around. Wow. Backwards, forwards. See, I know Kyle Rickham has a card in here.
That's a nice looking cubby.
Yeah.
I bet little D would like that one.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. So that was pack one. Here's pack two. I went ahead and started flipping all mine around since I had the opportunity to. So here we go. See who we can find. Jack McDowell, Chris James, Indians. So there's our first Indians card.
Go Tribe.
Go Tribe. Let's see. Jeff M. Robertson. Oh, Ivan Rodriguez. What year Ivan Rodriguez is this? Is this a rookie card? 91 with the Rangers. So it looks like 91 was his rookie year. So there's the second year Ivan Rodriguez. We'll set that aside for sure. Willie McGee. James Abode. Abbott. James Abbott. All right, there we go. There's my first pack.
All right, I've got a Baseball Heroes.
There's Ted Williams. Ooh, nice. 1960 500 home run club. Oh, that's awesome.
A collector's choice.
Yeah. Doesn't say who it is.
Pirates.
Yeah, it's a pirate, yeah.
I feel like I'm really close to the camera. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Al Newman, Raymond Martinez, Pedro Guerrero, Sid Bream, Bob Welch, that guy.
That guy.
Paul Assenmacher, that guy. Scott Terry, and Ron Darling.
Nice. All right, guys. Pack number 2 for me. Scott. Ron. There's a rookie star right there. Willie Banks. Oh, there's a collector's edition right there. Not exactly sure who that is. It is Todd somebody. Andy Van Slyke. Steve Owen. Oh, there you go, Undisputed Frost. There's Will Clark right there getting his eyes all blacked out. That's pretty cool. Pretty stinking cool. Yeah, these cards look good. Not too much damage on them for being 27 years old in a squished box. Alright, there we go. There's my second pack.
Alright, so in here I got some Rex Hudler, Tim Cruz, Brian Smith, Dave Parker, Rusty, Ernest Riles, Steve Sachs, Yankee, Ron Gant, Rob Deere, Walt Weiss. Ooh, some Sandy Alomar Jr.
Oh, Sandy Alomar Jr. with the Indians. There we go.
My first tribe. He's going to go up there. Mookie Wilson. Scott Fletcher. And this one is the Phillies. John Kruk.
John Kruk. Cool. All right, guys. Jeff Russell. Chris. Louise. Mike Jeffco. Omar somebody. Oh, forgot to flip one around. John. Jeff M. Robertson again. Already starting to get some dupes. That sucks. George Bell. There's a nice collection card of. Oh, that just says playoff performers. Patrick Lemon, Mariners rookie star, and Craig. There we go. Nice. Still trying to find the Jim Thome and Manny Ramirez.
We got a John.
Oh,
got a Ted
another
Williams.
Ted Williams. 1942 Triple Crown year. Nice.
Got a Jim Abbott. You had a Jim Abbott like that.
I did.
Jeff Houston. Tom Bolton. Joe. Kevin Essler. Todd. Brian Harvey. Greg. Ray Sanchez. Alex Fernandez. Jeff Montgomery. And Steve Howe.
Nice. All right, guys. Here we go. We got a Martinez. Mike Moore. Orlando. Let's see. Anybody else? There's Scott. Mike. Ozzie Smith. There we go. Ozzie Smith, the Wizard. The Wizard. That's cool. Ted Wood, star rookie. That's nice. Delano DeShield. Oh, that's a pretty good one. And Keith Miller. Awesome.
I got a Jesse Barfield, Carlos Rodriguez, another Carlos Rodriguez.
Oh, back to back.
Back to back.
Huh. Oh, it says top prospect 92 on it. All right, that's pretty cool.
Juan Samuel, Jeff King, Spike Owen, Chuck Finley, Scott Ruskin, Mark Leader, Tim Burke, Wally, Scott, Bernard Gilkey, Jeff Johnson, Jose De Jesus.
Nice. All right, guys. Got Bud Black, Jeff Shaw, Todd, Bob, John, Kevin, Todd Fortright, Mike, Charlie. Oh, we got a sticker. Oh, man, we got a sticker. Boston Red Sox, Heroes of Baseball, Fenway Park, May 16th, 1992. That's pretty cool. There's Donald Harrison, the star rookies, and, Frank Thomas. That's a Frank Thomas third-year card, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. Frank Thomas third-year card, so we'll put him in a good stack. Can't mess with the big hurt.
All right, so I've got another Ted Williams.
Wow, you keep pulling all the Williams.
Yeah.
Oh, you pulling all the Williams.
This is 1950s Player of the Decade.
Dang right he was.
Mets Magic. Arthur Rhodes, Ricky Henderson,
Ricky,
Mike, Howard Johnson with his little one. That's kind of cool. Or someone's little one. I'm assuming it's his.
I would assume it's his. Dad or he kidnapped somebody for a picture.
Matt Noakes, Fred McGriff,
The Crime Dog,
Joey Cora, Juan, Keith Mitchell, Jack Clark, Don Paul, Chris Carpenter, and Sid Fernandez.
Nice. Nice. All right, I got a good card on the end of this one because we've been going through flipping them around to try to take up less time. So Dave Alter, Duncan. Let's see. Get through these. I think that was the only good one I saw.
Well, don't go too fast. I gotta put mine.
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying not to have a half-hour video. People don't watch half-hour videos. Yeah. You make a half-hour video, you get like 13 views. There it is, Kyle Rickham. That right there's on the box. That's awesome. So this is what, like a Kyle Rickham 12th year card, 13th year card or something like that. So that's really cool. Actually, I think a 10th year card. What was he? 82, 83, 80, 81, I think. So yeah, that'd be like a 12th year card or something.
All right, so I got a Brady. Whoops. Another collector's for the Expos. Pedro Martinez.
Pedro, nice.
Matt Williams. Mark McGuire. Cecil Fielder. Jack Armstrong. Wally. Jim Ganter. Tom Foley. Marquise Grissom. Walt Terrell. Mike Jackson. Jeff Fasaro, and Cheeto Martinez.
Nice. Good stuff. Let me get mine flipped around. There we go. All right. Here we go, guys. John, Dean. It's cold out here.
It's pretty cold.
It is cold out here. That's a cool Cubby card. That's a good action shot. Ooh, right. Gary's, or Sheffield. Nice. It's a nice Sheffield right there. Kirk Gibson. That's a very good one right there. Oh, Del Murphy. Nice. Oh, Pirates. Heroes of Baseball, Three River Stadium, July 18th, 1992. Toss that one aside. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And Randy Johnson, the big unit, third-year card. That's cool.
Alright, I got a Tony Phillips. Another one of the collector's choice.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it is. Cubbies, I'll give it to the little
Yeah.
one. Andy Ashby. Another Mark McGuire. Matt Williams. Kirby Puckett.
Pocket.
Jim Thome. Brian. Marvin Freeman. Robin Yount. Gary. Scott Radinsky. Rick Honeycutt. And Pete Showrick.
Nice. Got a Dave Martinez, Ben McDonald, that guy Kyle again, Scott, Chili Davis. Oh, Chili Davis. Let's see, Jack Morris, Pete O'Brien, Paul O'Neill, Brian Donning, Mike Jackson, Jim Clark. And a checklist for Joester. Nice. Checklist for Joester. Sweet. Set that aside for him. Oh, guys, we got about a half a box left or so.
Sorry. Got a few more to turn over here. These packs are just all kinds of
Yeah,
jumbo.
they're everywhere. These cards are everywhere.
All right. So I got a Chris. Tom Goodwin. I've got a sticker. Heroes of Baseball, Tiger Stadium, August 30th, 1992.
Nice.
Mike. Ricky Henderson. Benito Santiago. Glenn Braggs. Kevin McReynolds. Curtis Wilkerson. Harvey Pulliam. Todd Benzinger. Brian Hallman, and these guys, Mel Rojas and Armando.
Nice. All right. I got a Jerry. Reggie Jefferson for the Indians. Dave Parker. Smith. Oh, wow. The 90s. I don't miss the 90s whatsoever. Roger McDowell. Wow, I don't miss the 90s at all. And Jeff, Harold Reams, whatever, the for some reason Hall of Famer and now sports announcer for some reason. Don't understand that. Eric Davis, there we go. That's a good one. Mark, Roberto Hernandez. Okay, and Papa Biggio. Hey, look at that. Papa Biggio. There we go. Awesome.
All right, I got another Ted Williams.
Wow, you're pulling all the
1947.
Williams. I love all the Williams cards, though.
And another one of the collector's choice. This one here is for the Padres.
Fred McGriff.
And then, so here's some of those guys. Walt Weiss, a Sandy Alomar Jr. for the Indians.
Nice. That makes twice you pulled him so far.
Tony Pena, a Jeff Innes, A Jerry Brown for the Tribe. A Brett, Paul Gibson, Jose De Leon, Orlando Geronimo Pena, that guy, and Mike Mussina.
Oh, Mike Mussina. That's a second-year card. That's cool. All right, here we go. Gomes, Jeff, the rookie, or star rookie, Steve, Andrew Dawson. Nice, the Hawk. There's another Indian right there. Carlos Baerga. Nice, Baerga. We'll set that aside. Dave Winfield. Scott. How many Scotts do we got here? I got the Scott. I got the Scott pack. Oh, Nolan Ryan. There we go. Set you aside, Mr. Ryan. There we go. And Adam Peterson.
I'm so cold to trying to not grip the cards. I've got housekeeper hands too.
Yeah, you do.
All right. Got that guy, Dave Valet.
Yeah, it looks that way.
And then the Dodgers Collector's Choice, Todd Van Poppel. A sticker, Red Sox, Fenway Park, May 16th, 1992. Dickey, Brian McRae, Mickey, Jeff Reed, Mike, David Cohn, Steve, Mark, Lou Whitaker, Mike, Jeff Coate, Barry Jones, Kevin Morton.
There we go. All right, guys, going to try. Oh, there's a Bell. Albert Bell. There we go. There's an Indian card for you.
He was in a lot of fights, wasn't he?
He was in a lot of fights. Yes, he was. Oh, my goodness. There we go. That's Pedro Martinez right there. Nice. Set that aside. That's real cool. Jose Guzman. Still haven't came across a Thome yet. Oh, man, I hope he's in this box. There's Cam Boyd. That's really cool. James. And let's see who fell. Oh, it's just a Mariner, so it ain't nobody good. There we go. A Martinez. Wrong Martinez, though.
Got a Randy Milligan. Astros Collector's Choice. Brian Williams. Luis. Harold. Billy Ripken.
Oh, Billy Ripken, Kyle's brother.
Another checklist.
Checklist for a Joester.
Sam Horn. Dennis Martinez. John. Daryl Hamilton. Kevin Cross. Carlos Martinez. Some Tribe for me. Ted Power. And Norm Charlton.
All right, here we go.
Kind of almost done.
Yeah, kind of almost done. Lee. Rick Vaughn. Oh, Bo Jackson. Bo knows baseball, everyone. That's right. Let's see. John Smoltz. Wow, they got him batting. Wow, they got him batting. That's a cool picture. We'll set that aside. He's a pitcher. Charlie O'Brien. Pat. Keith and Kevin. That's cool. Still haven't came across the Thome or the Manny. Uh-oh.
Got another Ted Williams,
Another
though.
Ted.
1960, 500 run club.
Yeah, 500 home run club. That's
There's
cool.
the Rangers.
Oh, man, that's Nolan Ryan.
Steve. Tom Bolton. Alex Cole for the Tribe. Mike Harkey. Brett. Randy Villard. Mike Heath. Mark. Storm Davis. Bobby Witt. Randy Tomlin. Roger Clemens. And Henry Cotto.
Nice. All right, let me get this pack all flipped around. There we go. All right. All right, guys, we're coming down to the end. We only got a few cards left each. So Dwight Gooden, that's a good one. Roberto and Sandy Alomar Jr. right there. That's cool. That's a real good one. Put that in your Indian stack. J Bell. Sanders. Does that say Deion Sanders?
Yes.
Deion Stinkin' Sanders. Well, that's a great card. We'll set that aside. Deion Sanders. That's real cool. Oh, man. Come on. Where are you at, Mr. Jim Thome? There we go. Try to find that Thome.
Homie. All right, another Ted Williams, 1950s player of the decade.
So apparently all the Ted Williams card was on the right side of the box.
Along with the majority of these guys.
Oh, that looks like that's Edgar Martinez.
Yeah, absolutely, Mariners. And there is some Manny Ramirez.
Oh, you found Manny.
I sure did.
Oh, you found the Manny card. All
There's
right.
my Manny card.
There's
right
Manny.
there.
We'll put him in your Indian stack.
Ron Robinson. Gary. Another Gary Sheffield. Mark Langston. Tom Candiotti. Another checklist.
Checklist for Joester.
Tim Raines. Scott Livingstone. And then this here
That's Jose
is
Canseco and
a Diamond Skills checklist.
of Ricky Henderson and Jose Canseco. There we go. That's cool.
That's pretty nifty.
Yeah.
And Chico Walker.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys. Barry Bonds, Mr. Steroid himself. Dan Wilson. That's a cool card. That guy played forever. Kyle Rickham and Billy. Billy and Kyle. That's a cool card. Looks like it's Heroes of Baseball, Tiger Stadium, August 30th, 1992. That's really cool. Let's see. Oh, man. Come on, Jim Thome. Now we're just looking for you. We found the Manny Ramirez, which is cool. And the coolest part was you pulled him yourself, so that's awesome. Right. Yeah, man, that's an awesome card. Hey, 2 seconds out to look at that. Wow, guys, that is an awesome Manny Ramirez. Manny had a long career.
Luis.
There's Ricky. That's Ricky Henderson.
Joel Skinner, David Howard, Mark Lewis, Milt Thompson, Greg Harris, Chuck Knobloch. Omar Vizquel when he was a Mariner.
Yep.
Was that before Indians?
Yes, that's before Indians. He was actually, his rookie card is with the Seattle Mariners in the 1988 Fleer.
That is super cool.
I pulled that card. All right, here we go, guys. Try to speed this up a little bit. We're coming close to a half hour. Bo Jackson again. Boom, Bo knows. Bo knows baseball. Jim Abbott. That's another good one. Pulled that already. Checklist for Joester. Oh, Tony Gwynn. Nice. Tony Gwynn. Love me some Tony Gwynn. And Jefferson. Awesome. All right. It looks like she only has a couple packs, and I got a couple packs, guys. We're almost done.
Let's see.
Just gotta find that Thome.
Another Ted Williams. Second Triple Crown. And then that is the Twins. Collector's Choice.
Oh no,
Another
I dropped
checklist for
the card.
Joester.
I dropped a card.
There's another Tribe. Another Indian, Steve Olin, George Bell, Franklin Stubbs, Brett Butler, Mo Vaughn, Joe Bover, Wilson Alvarez, Don Slout, Louis Salzar, and Bob Walk.
Cecil Fielder, Lee, Rich Rodriguez, Roger Stinking Clemens. That's awesome. Oh, forgot to flip one. There we go. Oh, you grabbing that card? Thank you. Ken Griffey Sr. I didn't even realize he had a card in this one. That's awesome.
Steve
Finley. Cool. All right. Johnson. Dave Anderson. Dale Murphy. There's another collections. There's an Expo Rondell White. Oh wow, that was a good pack. It had 2 collection cards in it. That's cool.
Nice.
That's cool. All right, guys, we both have like 2 packs apiece, so here we go.
Almost done. All right.
I want to thank anybody who stuck with us this long. I know long videos are hard to watch, guys.
Bill Swift, Rich, Scott Cooper, Eric Hansen, Bill Kruger, George Brett, Tom Hankey, Joe Oliver, the Royals, Collector's Choice, John Burkett, and this one here is the Expos again.
Nice. All right, guys, starting it off strong with a Ricky Henderson. That's a really cool card. I like it. He's on the base. Oh, no Jim Thome yet. Oh, Edgar Martinez. Nice, Edgar. So, sorry if we overlooked anybody, and I'm sorry this is such a long video. Boston Red Sox. That's cool. Dodgers rookie all-star, or prospect. And, oh, Ted Williams. I finally pulled a Williams card. Awesome. That's cool. All right, here's her last pack, and I'm going to get my last pack open.
He's not in mine. So we got Luis. We've got Whiskey Park. Chicago. We got Joey Hamilton. We've got here the Tiger Stadium. Chris Hammond. Joe Oliver. Danny, Eric, Bruce. Wade Boggs. Jody Reed. Carlton Fisk. Joe, Bill, Warren. Not in mine.
Alright, so here's my last pack, and as I was separating them out, I didn't see them. So, but we do have this Mr. Steroids, Jose Canseco. Let's see who else. There's Tom. There's Mike. There's Scott Stancer. Mike Fielder. I think that's what that said. Yeah, Fielder. Ozzie Smith. Oh, there's a pretty good Indians card, though. Look at that. It got Chief Wahoo all on it.
Oh, that's super awesome.
That is super awesome. That
I love
is
Chief Wahoo. Long live the Chief.
Long live the Chief. That is right. Kevin Moss. And then ended it with the Tim. All right, guys. Well, that was it. That was our very long 1992 upper deck box break, and we unfortunately did not find the Jim Thome, but was able to find the Manny Ramirez. So that is awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Anybody who stuck around to the end,
thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. You guys are troopers. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down at